This is what's happening in Benidorm town during the Dana alert. Just half an hour before it will start raining. Plenty of people are everywhere we go having a walk, even though it is true that it's way more chilly than it usually is. And going with the t-shirts and open shoes already feels almost uncomfortable. Plenty of people are having a walk without knowing that soon rain will be coming. Right on the Alicante beach, there is a red flag that stops many from heading inside of the water. This means that even though the water is really calm and quiet, all this rain is about to come here. And it's not going to be safe swimming here any longer. So there's only a few families here on the Alicante beach. Quite a few people on the Alicante beach promenade, enjoying a lovely walk, sports, plenty of mobility scooters everywhere we go and see. And what about the bars, you ask? Are these totally empty today? Well, no, these are actually packed up. Same as the Alicante beach, there are some people inside of the water, even though it's not allowed to go for a swim. But hey, a lot of people do not listen about it. All the nearby bars, Wild Duck, Stag and Pheasant, and other beach bars are full with tourists enjoying some drinks, and we start to see warm tea mugs or coffee cups. Like this, we know that autumn's already here in the area. Now, for sure, it's not as hot as it used to be, and it probably will not be up until next summer season. This is what's happening here right now, just moments before rain will come to our region.
This is the rain we were talking about. This is the data.
pleasant walk right now. It starts to rain slightly more, but there is a very, very cold wind as well. Almost feels like it's winter time, honestly. Someone's swimming out there. People are crazy. Oh, now it definitely came. Last time it wasn't like this. Last time it was just a little bit of rain, but this time it's slightly more in this region, and everything is right there inside of the sea. Calpe is being eaten by rain right now. Calpe, Denia, all that area. Check it out. Thank you for accompanying us in today's rainy video finally. Luckily to us, because this area also needs some water, don't get me wrong, it's good when it rains a little bit. Every now and then we cannot avoid rain forever, so it's good that this type of rain came here. There is an intense temperature drop. It's cold like this even. So all the people are really, really cold walking around. And we see some typical winter / autumn clothing already. No summer clothes, which is the biggest difference. Our gorgeous promenade right here next to us. Incredible place, even with a little bit of rain. Hopefully, if it will rain, it's gonna stay like this, because it does no harm with an exception of some cold rain. But apart from that, if it's no flooding, we'll be perfectly fine with it. Stay tuned for more.